During one of your regular working days, you realize that your lease contract will expire in the coming couple of years, or that its break option is coming up in the same timeline. You're now faced with the following choice: either you renew your lease with or without renegotiation, or eventually you relocate. Statistics show that over 70% of office space tenants in Belgium renew their lease when it reaches its expiration time. Landlords know this. That's how they make an extra profit, and here's why. If your current offices still suit your company's needs, why leave? Moving out costs a lot of time and money. To avoid such costs, most tenants settle for a lease renewal without any tough renegotiation. But there's a little secret that landlords and their brokers don't want you to know. Landlords fear that you may move out. If you do so, they will have to incur significant costs to find a new tenant and will be exposed to vacancy risks, which they want to avoid at all costs. As a result, landlords can actually offer more attractive financial terms if they understand that you are really planning to move. As consultants exclusively defending office space tenants' interests, we truly believe that a lease renewal should not be a new source of profit for landlords, but should rather reward the tenants for the value they provide for the coming years. Our knowledge, experience and full independence will provide you with the best possible result. Should you stay or should you move? That's up to you. However, if you want to achieve the best results in your negotiation, give us a call. Business Space, proud member of Axis Global Tenant Representation. 100% tenant representation.